In 1866, researchers in Jena examined a strange forest patch where dead leaves vanished faster than anywhere else. They wondered how an entire woodland floor could disappear in weeks. Their answer came when they found hidden networks of fungi threading through the soil like living lace. The discovery shocked them because these filaments worked night and day, breaking down every fallen branch. Without them, forests would choke under their own debris. Doesn't that change how we see decay? That moment reshaped ecology, proving fungi were not quiet bystanders, but the engines that keep life cycling forward.